In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. We're going to walk through the simplest path to go from a blank idea to a nicely designed email that's ready to send. I'll explain not just what to click, but why it matters, so by the end, you'll feel comfortable customizing the look and feel of any campaign. First, once you're logged into Mailchimp, start by creating a new email. At the top, click Create, then choose Email. You'll be prompted to name your email. This is just for your reference inside Mailchimp, so pick something that helps you recognize the campaign later. After you've given it a name, click Begin to open up the email builder. Next, you'll see an option to design email. Go ahead and click that. This moves you into the main design interface, where Mailchimp gives you different starting points so you don't have to design from scratch. Here, you'll choose either a layout or a theme. Layouts are more basic structures, like a simple one-column layout, while themes are more pre-styled options with colors and imagery already suggested. If you're new, starting with something like a one-column layout is often the easiest because it keeps things clean and mobile-friendly. Remember, you can change colors, fonts, and images later, so don't stress too much over this choice. Once you've picked your layout or theme, look over to the sidebar and click the Styles tab. This is where you control the overall look of the email, kind of like setting the design rules that all your content will follow. Under Styles, you'll see options for different sections such as body, headings, and buttons. Start with body since that controls your main text. Use the menus to choose your font family, font color, and font size. Try to stick with a simple, readable font and a size that's easy to read on both desktop and mobile, usually somewhere around 14 to 16 points. You can also adjust headings 1 through 3 here so your titles and subheadings stand out clearly. And don't forget buttons. This is where you adjust how your call to action buttons look, including their color, size, and text style. When your basic styles look good, click over to the Content tab. This is where you'll actually build the email itself. You'll see different content blocks, like text, images, buttons, dividers, and more. Simply drag the blocks you want into the main preview area. Place text blocks where you'll write your message, image blocks where you want visuals, and buttons where you want people to click through. After dragging a block into the email, click on that block to customize it. The sidebar will change into an editor for that specific block. For a text block, you'll type or paste your content and use the formatting options to bold, link, or align text. For an image block, you'll upload or select an image from your library and adjust things like alignment and size. Continue dragging in blocks, clicking each one, and customizing it in the sidebar until your email looks the way you want. Take a moment to scroll through the full preview to make sure your styling and content feel consistent from top to bottom. Once you're happy with the design and styling, you're ready to move on to testing and sending your email.